Whoa. One more. There you go.
We did it. Yay. I did it.
You think you can get us all the way back there?
All the way back where we were?
Yep. Not like, not where you're parked.
Oh, like to the,
whoa,
to the
yo.
spot?
There's an old car up there. Oh shit. It's right there. It's an old car. Oh shit, that's low. You see it?
Yep.
Yo, there's a house up there. Maybe don't point your light over there. You think you get us back to that opening?
Maybe. Probably.
Alright.
Are you hopping in or are you running down there?
I'll go down there. Okay. Oh my god. Okay, so like, very turbulent water.
Pretty good. We did it. We made it back.